We have all been there. You're in a meeting, a library, or a loud restaurant, and someone sends you a 2-minute voice note. You can't listen to it, but you need to know what it says right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the built-in voice message transcript feature in WhatsApp. This automatically converts voice notes into text so you can read them instead of listening. Let's set it up. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and make sure you are on the main screen. If you are on iPhone, tap the Settings gear in the bottom right corner. If you are on Android, tap the 3 dots in the top right and select Settings. Step 2. Once you are in Settings, tap on the option that says Chats. Scroll down until you see a setting called Voice Message Transcripts. If you don't see this immediately, make sure your WhatsApp app is fully updated to the latest version. Step 3. Language selection. Tap on Voice Message Transcripts. Here, turn the feature on. You can choose automatic or manual. I recommend setting it to manual if you speak multiple languages. Crucially, you need to select the transcript language. This downloads a small language pack to your phone so it can transcribe the audio offline. Select your primary language, like English or Spanish. Step 4. Now, go back to any conversation. Find a voice note. You will see that right below the audio bar, WhatsApp now automatically generates a text version of the message. Now you can read the voice note without anyone knowing you haven't listened to it yet. It's that simple. If this tip saved you from an awkward voice note situation, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WhatsApp tricks. See you in the next one.